Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add sections to your Kajabi website, sales funnels, and landing pages. This is an essential skill that allows you to customize your pages by inserting new content blocks, headers, galleries, or any other design elements to enhance your site's functionality and visual appeal. First, you'll need to open your Kajabi site by heading to the Kajabi login page and signing in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, navigate to the website editor for the site where you want to make changes. If you're using a custom domain, simply go there after signing in to access your dashboard. Next, look at the left-hand menu and click on Website. This will expand a submenu with additional options. From there, click on Website Pages. This section is where all your existing pages live, and it's your control center for managing the structure and content of your site. You'll now see a complete list of all the pages you've created. This is where you'll locate the specific page you want to edit. Keep in mind that the process for adding sections is identical whether you're working on a website page, a landing page, or a sales funnel. So once you learn this workflow, you can apply it across your entire Kajabi account. Click on the page you want to modify, and you'll be directed to the page editor. This is where the magic happens. On the left side of the screen, you'll notice a button labeled Add Section. Click on it, and a menu will appear showcasing all the different types of sections you can insert into your page. You can scroll through the available options or use the search bar at the top if you already have a specific element or object in mind, like a testimonial block, image gallery, or call to action button. Once you've selected the section you want, your screen will shift to show you a live preview of how that element will look on your page. This preview helps you visualize the change before committing to it. If you're satisfied with how it looks, find the Add button on the right side of that preview and click it. The section will now be added to your page, and you'll have full control to customize it. You can adjust colors, text, images, spacing, and more to match your brand's style and design preferences. When you're happy with the changes, simply click Save to lock everything in place. Remember, this exact procedure applies whether you're editing a standard website page, a landing page, or a sales funnel. The flexibility Kajabi offers means you can build and modify any page type using the same intuitive process. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.